So we're going to have spreadsheets, literally. We're going to, as the guys answer those questions, as we decide off that list what is applicable, possible in this company, we're going to write those down, what situations can lead to those, and then we're going to start developing answers. Now these answers are going to be right procedures, ensure a person's training is to this level. So these answers are going to roll up into our processes that run the business. That's how we find what to do and put the right thing in place at the right time. We'll actually go as far as specifying who's responsible for that solution. This particular colour in here, as we decide what the problem is, where it comes from in the life cycle. If the problem comes from the manufacturer or comes from an engineering selection decision made 20 years ago, we're going to make very clear who's responsible to get that answer right. Not to be nasty and mean about it, but just to allocate responsibility and ensure that they have got procedures that prevent these things happening. Now, we're not talking here about heaven. This is not about being perfect. This is about being better, about excellence, moving forward in the right direction all the time. We're not going to get them all. You know? There will still be breakdowns. The world, and if there's an earthquake and it destroys something, or there's a lightning strike and it blows up the PLC on the process control computer, you know, those sort of things will always happen. Our job is to achieve excellence, minimise that right down. Lightning strikes we can protect against by making sure the current goes to earth and not through our equipment. Yeah, there are things that we can do, but human beings, I'll make mistakes. And managers make mistakes and they will snowball through. So yeah, we're going to have the occasional one, but because our process is improving all the time, we're going to find those, remove them, and it'll get better over the years. So don't expect heaven, but this is a far better way to ensure that you'll get the outcomes you want on a regular basis.